Hello, welcome to my channel. Let me assume first that either you are a flat earth believer or a normal human who is very much aware that there are still people alive in this planet who believes in dump theories. Yeah, literally I mean it, because the concept of flat earth was dumped centuries before. And one thing I can assure you is that after watching this video, no flat earther will claim the so-called water level story. It's my guarantee. Here, I am going to explain the most important aspect, that is water, which often used by flat earthers to claim the earth is flat by quoting water always stays flat. So my request for you is to watch till end without skipping. Otherwise, you may not be able to get the exact point which I am going to share. Many a times this happened when I had debates with flat earth believers, resulting in discussing the same point again and again. So let us debunk it today without delay. This common yet extraordinary substance, it's everywhere, isn't it? From the deepest trenches of the oceans to the highest peaks of mountains, from the driest deserts to the wettest rainforests, water is an omnipresent force on our planet, shaping landscapes and enabling life. But what makes water so special? To begin with, it's the only substance on Earth that exists naturally in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. The ice in your drink, the steam from your kettle, and the liquid in your bottle all are different forms of the same substance. Water's chemical structure is also unique. Each molecule consists of two hydrogen atoms bonded to one oxygen atom. This structure results in a polarity that enables water to dissolve more substances than any other liquid. That's why it's often referred to as a universal solvent, playing a vital role in the biochemical processes of life. Another remarkable property of water is its ability to retain heat. Oceans and lakes act as vast heat reservoirs, helping to regulate the Earth's climate. This heat capacity not only influences our weather patterns, but also makes our planet habitable. Yet, water's unusual behaviors don't stop there. Have you ever noticed how it expands when it freezes? Most substances contract when they cool, but not water. This quirky trait ensures ice floats on water, creating a protective layer that insulates the life beneath during harsh winters. Water, it seems, is full of surprises. Its properties are not just scientifically interesting, they're essential. They influence everything from the tiniest cellular processes to the largest climatic phenomena. So, water is not just a simple liquid, but a substance with fascinating properties that we often overlook. As we continue our journey, we'll delve deeper into the marvels of this extraordinary substance. Water. Stay tuned. Have you ever noticed how some insects can walk on water without sinking? This fascinating phenomenon is not a result of magic or some sort of insect superpower, but rather due to a unique property of water known as surface tension. So, what exactly is surface tension? Imagine a group of friends holding hands, standing in a circle. They're tightly holding onto each other, forming a strong, unified bond. This is similar to how water molecules behave. Each water molecule is attracted to its neighbors, creating a bond or force of attraction. This force, known as cohesion, keeps the molecules together, forming a sort of skin or surface layer. This skin is what we refer to as surface tension. It's a result of the cohesive forces among the liquid molecules, particularly at the surface, where there are fewer water molecules to bond with. The molecules at the surface bond more strongly with those around and below them, creating a tighter network and a stronger force, the surface tension. Now, let's bring back our insect friends. These tiny creatures, like water striders, are light enough and have specially adapted feet to distribute their weight evenly on the water's surface. They can take advantage of this surface tension, essentially walking on this skin without breaking through. They're not really walking on the water, but on the surface tension itself. Surface tension isn't just a cool party trick for insects. It's also essential for many natural and technological processes. It allows plants to transport water from their roots to their leaves, plays a role in cloud formation and even influences the behavior of the tiny droplets in sprays and aerosols. Now, with these examples, we can come to the point that without any doubt, water has surface tension, which enables to form into a drop, especially in small quantity. It is also true there is a size limit in forming a drop, but it is also true that if at all, it's not possible to make a bigger drop, but its properties won't get vanished away. No magic will happen if we take a bucket of water. Water will be water. These all points will come handy for understanding the water and its self-made level theory. Now, flat earthers claim that water level is used for taking level for buildings, etc. That is also true. But you must understand what is water level first. Water always maintains the air pressure evenly above it by taking the easiest possible path. Little confused, I will explain. Try this. Take some water in a long transparent plastic tube, almost 70% filled, and keep both ends pointing upwards, and now you can see the water is maintaining its level. Is it really maintaining its level, or it has just adjusted with respect to the pressure exerting by the atmosphere above? Come on, seriously. Now for more clarification, you can artificially reduce or increase the atmospheric pressure at one point of the water tube, either by creating a suction or applying pressure over the water. Now things are more clear, isn't it? It's done. Everything the flat earthers claim about water level fails here. It's that much easy to prove that the flat earth theory is just a mockery. In both the case, while you reduce or insert pressure at one end, the other end also changes its position in opposite direction. And if you manage to keep the difference permanently, the water will also stay with different level. Now it's clear that water has no capacity to stay level, but it only responds to the pressure above. Interesting aspect of understanding science in a different angle. So why we are taking water level for constructing houses and buildings? Simply because to know the level, and as we know, buildings and constructions are limited to a small area, and it has nothing to do with the shape of such a big earth or its curvature. Obviously, we don't use water level for roads or railways line constructions. Another example is that anything which floats, placed over water, will be accommodated by the water in the same way how it accommodated the atmospheric pressure. The heavier side of the object will be accommodated below the water more deeper than lighter side. Only difference is that we can see the solid substance here, but not the atmosphere in the first case. Now try adding some weight to the lighter side. Water will automatically adjust the position according to the weight added. Science is something which can be learned by understanding, undertaking, visualizing, and experiencing, but cannot be believed. Flat Earth is something which can only be believed. They have many directions to point, but nothing to hold. It's a pathetic situation. Anyway, I think I had made my point clear, and it is not any rocket science that flat earthers will find difficulty in understanding these simple points. As I know from my previous personal experiences, they have a good habit that they won't accept anything from outside the text. If anyone has any contradictions or want to correct me, you may please let me know in the comment section, because humans are capable to make mistakes. And don't forget to show this video to your favorite flat earther next time when he shows the water level meme. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Have a great day.